Well, this is very exciting. It's the first unboxed video that I've ever made because I've just received a parcel from the US. A woman that I'm in a school community with said she was going to send me something. Actually, it's pretty exciting. So thanks, Jules. Very much appreciated. Certainly unexpected and very excited. So I was reading a post recently where she went and visited someone who lived an hour away, and because I live in Australia, she sent this to me, and very, very kind. Goodness me, it's all been wrapped. Beautiful little parcels. There's all sorts of treasures. There's all sorts of things in this box. And thank you for your friendship too, Jules. Thank you to you too. Look, we have a US flag. And there's more parcels in this box. It is all sorts of absolute treasures. Incredible. So let's see what's inside these wonderful things. All the way from the US that just landed on my doorstep today. There it is. A kiwi. Look at that. What a gorgeous kiwi. And then we have, now Jules told me she was sending me one thing, but obviously this is not the case. Wow, amazing doilies that have been crocheted. The work in these is just incredible. This one is the pair of another one that I have in my house already. Absolutely beautiful. All of the work that's gone into creating those. Amazing. Thank you. And now we have, I think I might just tear the end off this one. The bows are tied tightly. I think it's back to scissors time here. There we have it. This is a big enough hole to extract this wonder. Come on, kiwi, you can sit there. Give it a go. Oh look, it's a fan, I can tell. Beautiful fan. Wonder what the picture is of. Oh look, it's a beautiful bird and cherry blossoms. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. And this one is actually the one that I know what it is, because this is what I was told was coming. Oh, it comes as its own box. And here, oh, it's wow. It's just beautiful. It's this gorgeous brooch. Absolutely incredible. Wow. Thank you so much, Jules. They are just such lovely surprises to get halfway across the world. Thank you very, very much.